Hey, good morning Goa. Good morning India. I am come back to you today with this situation, what is happening in our Goa. We love Goa. We love our citizen, and especially we love our country India. We are going through a very difficult phase. We are into total mess. I appeal to my CM. I appeal to all the ruling party of BJP. I appeal to all the opposition of my state. And I humbly join my hands with you. Please leave your politics, leave your religion, leave your all differences, get together with the CM of Goa and join hand together to save our citizen from Goa. Especially with this COVID virus, every day people are dying. My brothers are dying, my sisters are dying. We cannot see this. We need to be organized. We had enough time to organize all the equipment. We had enough time to see that oxygen was available, ventilators were available, sanitization was available. We had enough time. My CM had enough time with the cabinet to make decision, to organize through the medical department, through the medical ministry, informing to the central government, minister of medical, saying what are your plus point, minus point, what was lacking in Goa. Today I see a disaster. There is no oxygen, there is no ventilator, there is no proper medical equipment, there are no beds, there is no good medical infrastructure. So today I appeal to all the walks of people of Goa, please come out, please support our CM, give him ideas. Mr. CM, you have such a big government machinery. Ask them the suggestion, ask them the advice. The top officials of the doctors, medicals, architects, engineers, all intellectuals of our Goa can build your hand strong. Take their ideas, take them into confidence and make Goa to win and to come over this COVID virus which is affected to us. Please restrict all the movements, restrict all the tourists coming in our country, restrict all the tourists which are coming in Goa, especially all the borders you try to seal and make sure that they don't enter without COVID test. If they are healthy, yes, all eatable, make it available for the state, no problem. Give some restriction, give a good command of your SOP, give a good command of your leadership so that everything is going smooth. Put all the 40 MLA on the job, put all the ministers on the job, put collectors from north, from south, Mamledar, Panchayat, municipality, make a team and proceed to handle the situation. Make sure all our Goans are saved. I appeal to my Indian Prime Minister, Mr. Modi, please, we don't need to build temples now. We don't need to buy military force now. We don't need to build statues or palaces. We need to build a medical infrastructure, a strong medical infrastructure in every state. Give your command. You are a leader. You are the Prime Minister of my big country. We are proud of you. Please handle this situation with your leadership and give your power to all the different state CM. Let us keep all our politics, religion, and anything aside. Let us be one today. Let us be one united, as not as an opposition, not as a Congress, not as a other party. Let the parties, there should not be party level here today. Our country citizens are dying. Our country is in mess. Please, please, Mr. Prime Minister, hear me out loud and clear. We are with you. We are there with you. But solve my country problem, and I appeal again to my Chief Minister of Goa, please try to work together. Together we work, united we stand and face this corona, the disaster which has come on us, on this world. It is a global pandemic. It is not a big issue. If we are all intellectual and if we are all good people and we are smart, we can overcome this. Our India is shining all over the world. We have the best intellectual scientists. We have the best doctors in different countries, in US, in Canada, in United Kingdom, and they are spread all over. We Indians are the very smart people. We have the capability to rule and to be the best in the world. So please, I appeal again to my CM, and please, my Goan citizen, cooperate with the CM. Please, my Prime Minister, we are there with you. Let us stop all these political rallies. Let us stop to go for power. Today is not the time for power. Today is the time to defend our country with this coronavirus. So let's be united, and I wish you good luck, and I wish my Goan citizen to be healthy, and please take care by yourself, making precaution so that you all are safe. Thank you. Jai Hind. Thank you.